Hey Unity developers, we created something that will automate all your builds and save your project from the fiery pits of development hell. Let's find out how to save time, stop breaking the build, and test all your changes super easily for multiple platforms all at once. I'm Milan Farchi, Dev Lead at Virtual Maker, and today, let's explore the all-in-one automation solution for Unity called Buildalon. Here at Virtual Maker, we've spent years helping studios automatically build, test, and deploy their games and apps. Together with our partners, we've embarked on an epic quest to create a new system that is fast and flexible enough to scale to the Unity projects that exist in the real world. That's why Buildalon is open source and made of easily composable components. Mix and match just the pieces you need to get the most out of your pipeline. Stick around to find out how you can start generating builds for free in just 10 minutes. Let's take a quick step back and ask, why would my project even need Unity automation? Here are the top 4 reasons Unity developers need automation. Number 1, save time and money. Tell me if this sounds familiar. You click File, Build Settings, Build and Run, and then you sit there and you wait patiently. Guess it's time for another coffee. Unity blocks you from working on your project while it chugs along making a build. For small projects, this might only be a few minutes, but as your project grows, this can take 30 or more minutes each time. And time is money. Just saving one developer from spending 30 minutes a day on builds can save a studio $200 to $500 per month. Number 2, stop breaking the build. Have you ever pushed a change that accidentally broke the build? No? Just me? With Buildalon, every change can be built before and after it's merged into production. This puts up guardrails to prevent one person on the team from breaking the build and slowing everybody down. Better yet, if you write unit tests, which you should, then you can have Buildalon run those tests on every change. Number 3, test your changes super easily. A key indicator that a project is on track is that it's always in a playable state. That means that at any point, anyone on the team can grab the latest build with all the latest changes and test it out. Yes, that means everyone, including the people that are not working in Unity all day. Project managers, designers, artists, and testers. With Buildalon, you can build and deploy every change. Everyone on the team gets to see which features are working, which ones need tweaking, and which ones need cutting. Artists get to see what their work looks like in the build, so they can go back and refine it. QA gets to test the latest changes immediately. And project managers get to see the real-time progress of the team and make adjustments to keep everyone on track. Number 4, build for more platforms. Unity is a multi-platform engine. If you're building a desktop game, chances are you want to release it on PC, Mac, and Steam Deck. Unfortunately, to do that, you'll need 3 different machines to build each of those platforms. You could spend thousands of dollars on extra hardware for every developer on the team. Or you can use Buildalon's Windows, Mac, and Linux cloud runners to significantly cut down on cost and maintenance. Then, we handle all the management behind the scenes, keeping your runners up to date with the latest development software like Xcode and Visual Studio. Okay, so we've established that we want to save time and stop breaking the build. We want to make it easy for everyone on the team to test the latest changes, and we want to generate those builds for multiple platforms. Now let's explore why Buildalon is the best automation option for Unity developers. A good automation system should be fast. If your build times are too long, a queue will form as each build is waiting on the one before. This can leave developers stuck, waiting to test and submit their changes. Buildalon solved this problem by providing fast build machines called runners, dedicated to your project. That means every build can use the previous build's cache to gain a massive speed boost. We ran a test to compare Buildalon and Unity Cloud Build. Buildalon runners perform 3 times faster than Unity Cloud Build on incremental changes. For larger teams, we provide faster runners and multiple parallel runners that will keep those build queues drained. A good automation system should be flexible enough to meet your project's unique requirements. That's why we based Buildalon on GitHub Actions. GitHub Actions is a very popular way for GitHub developers to create and run automated jobs. Buildalon comes pre-packaged with free open source actions that perform common steps, like installing the right version of Unity, activating a Unity license, running Unity to make a build, and deploying your build application to a store, like Steam, Google Play, the Apple App Store, and the Meta Quest Store. But we know you need more. That's why you can also add your own custom steps or choose from the thousands of open source actions available on the GitHub Marketplace. Now let's find out how you can set up Buildalon for free in just 10 minutes. First, head over to buildalon.com and click Get Started. Next, select which platforms you'd like to build. Then, schedule when your builds should run. You can run builds on a time schedule or whenever new changes are targeting your development branch. This will generate a workflow file, which you can drop into your project. Follow the short step-by-step instructions to finish setting up your repository. Once you've pushed your changes, you'll see a build start automatically. You'll be able to watch your build running right from GitHub. And when it's done, you'll find your build ready to download and play. We've worked hard to make this experience as seamless as possible. But if you hit any issues, you can come chat with us on the Virtual Maker Discord, and we'll do our best to help you out. I invite you to give Buildalon a try. We'd love to hear your feedback. Seriously, go try it right now. It's free to start and you'll have automated builds going in 10 minutes. Thanks for watching, have a good one, and keep on making.